Alright, so we're going to be making a 3-colored tray today. We're going to use this mold here. So I already pre-mixed up my colors. I got blue, used the lime green, and a pearl white. So I already pre-mixed all this offline. That way I could save some time. Just take these, put them off to the side. Alright, so squeeze the cup, just drizzle it in there. Just let it do its thing, mix it up. I find letting it do its own pattern turns out nicer. Just keep going until you fill her up. So I used 80 grams in each cup. So, and I used a 2-part epoxy. So 40 of each. Make sure I get it all out. Alright, next step is just to let it sit and dry for 24 hours. Any bubbles that come to the surface I'll burn off. I'll check back in a few minutes on that. And I will see you for the demold. Alright guys, so this is sat for 24 hours. I think now it's time to demold and see what we got here. I really like this look on the back so far. So hopefully the pattern has followed through to the underside. So we'll find out here in a second. So that's actually pretty neat looking. It actually looks like green clouds or cells. That's actually really neat. I like the way that turned out. So a little different, like I said. So there is 3 colors. There's green, white, and blue. Blue really didn't show up as much as I would like, but it is there. So yeah, I think this is one of my favorite ones so far. Like I said, I like the cell look inside there. I like the pattern that it made. So, and no, I didn't stir it or anything. I just let the resin make its own pattern. So if you like it, please like, share, comment, and I will see you for the next one. See you, bye.